Good morning, and today I would like to talk about building the E minor scale and arpeggio. So in a previous video, we looked at the A minor scale and we talked about building the relative minor scale from a major scale. And the way we said that we find that is to take the major scale, for example, C, and go back 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3. And the relative minor of C major is A minor. So those keys both have the same key signature, which in that case is no sharps and flats. So today I'd like us to look at the relative minor scale of G major. Okay, if I go from G, the G major scale has 1 sharp. If I go back 3 half steps, I get E minor. So the E minor scale is the relative minor of G major, and like the G major scale, it has 1 sharp in the key signature. So if I were to build an E natural minor scale, I would build all the notes from E to E, but I would have F sharp. So E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, and then E. So it sounds like this. This is the E natural minor scale. But in this class, we're going to be focusing on the harmonic minor version of the scale, which is the scale which uses the 7th scale degree raised. So what I do is I take the 7th note of the scale, which is D, raise it to D sharp, and now I have F sharp and D sharp. The scale sounds like this. This is the E harmonic minor scale. Here, let me just play it in 2 octaves, starting with the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Let me play it with the left hand, starting with finger 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'll just play it hands together once. So that's the E harmonic minor scale. Very quickly, let me show you the E minor arpeggio, which will use the 1st, 3rd, and 5th notes of the E minor scale, E, G, B. So I'll use fingers 1, 2, 3 in the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. In the left hand, 5, 4, 2, 1 is a slightly better position for our hand. 5, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 5. I'll try it hands together. Keeping in mind that the more you swing your arms from left to right, the smoother of an arpeggio you'll get. So I would encourage you to try that out, the E minor scale and arpeggio.